Hi everyone, so basically today I will introduce to you how to use this website. So this website will be pop up once you run the Python program and you will see this first screen. So we will begin to introduce how to use it. So before you connect your wallet, then you will see nothing. So then if you want to use this investment tool, the first thing you need to do is connect wallet and then you can connect. If you have no connection before, then when you click connect, it will pop up the MetaMask screen and then please type all the information and it will automatically connect. And now we can see it connect with this. And then for the HDG balance, and then also it has margin total and also has a risk parameter. Since we do not do any investment yet, so then the active hedge was none. And this is the price BTC per US dollar. It was fresh every day. Not every day, every hourly to be honest, it was. And now if you are the first time user and then your HDG balance was 0, don't worry, we have this function here. You can get some free HDGT to practice this software. So then you can just click claim 100 HDGT and then it will pop up the MetaMask screen you can see on here by click confirm. And also please give a minute to run it and then to receive your free tokens. Yeah, we can see now you have free tokens, so it changed from 500 to 5600. So that was how you get some free token every time by click this. And also we can check on here the activity log. You can see you are claimed for the 100 GT successfully. And now I'll begin to more introduce how we use this whole management system and how to do the hedge. For the management system, we do is we have approve money, deposit money, and withdraw money. For approve, it's like we want to set how much money you are allow yourself to do the hedge part. For example, I have 10,000 money, but I only want 1,000 to do the hedge. I do not want to spend over. So we create this function to see how much you approve, and then you are not allowed to do the approve for more than the amount you set. And then for the deposit, it means you save the amount of money that you allow to do the hedge into the margin bank account and then to do everything. And now we will do what? We will say, okay, for today, we want to save 10,000, maybe 10,000 money into the approve account to do the hedge. So then I can just type 10,000 here and then click approve. After I click the approve, then I will pop up this screen. Then you can see how much money you put allowance for the cap request, and then you are able to do that by click confirm. After you click confirm, the system will running, and then you are able to see the allowance was now 0.00, but after that it will change to 10,000. So it means it allow you to do the hedge 10,000 HGGT. And now, for example, how much we want to put in our margin account. We want to deposit 9,000 HDGT into the margin account, which is a little bit small. So it's a smaller number than the money approved. We need to make sure it was. So let me deposit 9,000 HDGT into my marginal account, then by click confirm. Yeah, you can see now this number has been changed by adding 9,000 into your marginal account. And also we can see from the activity log approve 10,000 HDGT and then we deposit 9,000 HDGT into the margin account. And now this is basically how we do approve and deposit. Now I will begin to introduce how to do the open hedge. So this is the function part. You need to fill out for the spot value, the hedge ratio, and then the collateral part. For example, for today, I want to do is 2,000 as my spot value. So then I just have 2,000 with adding 8 extra 0. And then for the hedge ratio, for example, I want to do is 100%. And for the collateral, for example, today I want to do is 1 HDGT. It was it was 1 into the 18th because we know on here we read 0.1 HDGT was 1 into the 17th. So if I want to do 1 HDGT, it will be 1 into the power 18th. Yeah, so now we are able to fill everything. We are able to click the open hatch now. So just by click this, you will also see another MetaMask screen pop up. So we can click confirm on here. It means that we are open our hatch. Before, now we did not click, it's none. But after we click, it will showing up the open hatch number within 1 minute actually, usually be. Yeah, so now we can see it has an active hedge number 6 with 2000 at 100% hedge ratio. That was metrics we put on here, the spot value and hedge ratio and also the collateral. So that was also, we also can see scroll down the position health part. So for the position health part, we can see is we put the size, which was the money we want to do hedge, open hedge 2000, and we want to do the collateral is 1.0, and then everything was match. And from the activity log, we also can see we opened the hedge successfully at 11:37:52 seconds. And now, for example, after a few minutes, I want to close the hedge. How should I do? So that I can do is I can just close hedge by clicking this. And now you will see another screen pop up by click confirm. It means you close the hedge. And also the close hedge will take about 1 minute to actually close. Yeah, so now we can see the active hedge is changed from active hedge number 6 to none. It means that we are close the hedge, and also the reserved or the collateral is 1.0 HDGT has been back to account also now. So now it means every money is go back to the marginal account now. And after that, for example, now we want to withdraw some money, right? We do not need it. We want to do some or transfer some our profit to the balance account. Then what we will do is we do withdraw function. For example, for today, I want to withdraw 8,000 HDGT, so I can just fill 8,000 here and then click the withdraw. After I click the withdraw, the MetaMask will pop up the screen also on here. It means that you will receive 8,000 HDGT on your balance account. And then by click confirm, it means it begin the withdrawal process, and the withdrawal process will also take about 1 minute. Let's wait and see. Yeah, so basically we can see from the activity log we withdraw 8,000 HDGT successfully, and also we can check on here this number has been dropped and this number has been minus 8,000. Here has been adding by 8,000. So that is how we generally use it to the withdraw function. That will be all.